And you're going to be in the picture too, so smile.
Okay.
Actually, hold your hand closer.
We gotta get a bird over here.
Closer so that I've got a black background. There we go. That'll be good. That's good.
Sorry, Jackie.
Hold it. I'm sorry. Yep. Hold it.
Oh.
There's Tufted. Smile.
Excellent.
Oh,
Oops.
that was a tough.
Where did he go?
He's
gone.
My hand is frozen. I gotta put it
Yeah.
in my pocket for a minute.
Oh.
There he is. He's over there.
Don't rotate.
Oh, I see him. It's just my hand is so cold.
Oh. Don't rotate.
There you go. Come on, dude.
Come on, buddy. Come on, you want it. You know you want it.
Who's he gonna come to?
Oh, yeah. He goes for the big pieces.
Oh, I got a motion shot there.
Got it. Good. Thank you.
Cool.
Whoops.
Thank you.
Sorry, babies.
Black backgrounds are good. You've got a good background. When you hold it out
a
like
good
this.
picture if you want it.
Yeah, actually, just
Yeah.
put them on the. Oh, that's fantastic.
This is so cool.
Yeah,
It
really is.
That way everybody gets to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll post all of
He
mine
was so
as
fast.
well, so, yeah.
Okay. I even got smiles in the background too.
Yeah, good. Excellent. Some good shots.
Wow, that's good.
I'm going to catch up with the other people. We're lost.
We're not lost. Where's that other bird?
What's that?
Cool
What is
if
that?
we found-
Oh, that's just a crow. What's that bird